Oh, he was here. He's gone now.
Gone.
Ooh, looks like you got a pretty good basket there, buddy. Oh, cool.
Yeah, this one's for Mommy and Daddy, and these two are for Trevor. What is that? Is that cool? Which ones are those?
Oh, Woody socks. Cool.
What you got? It's a water gun. No, but for outside only. Or in the bathtub.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
What is that? Is that a skateboard?
Yeah.
What's in your basket? What else did the Easter Bunny bring you?
What's this?
Ooh, that's chocolate.
What's in here?
Chocolate.
Yeah, but you gotta open the paper, love.
I
I'm gonna open it for you.
want to.
You want to do it yourself, like a big boy?
I don't know, right there. Maybe right here on the corner.
It's target.
You're not excited or anything, are you? Trevor, do you like chocolate? Apparently. Hey, look at that. That's a cool Easter bunny. How's he taste?
It's good.
That's Mommy's. But you can have some.
What are you whispering about?
You took white.
Oh, you found more chocolate?
Yeah. Ta-da!
Ta-da!